boys, girls? Welcome to Gorillaz Guitar. I have a song for you from Gorillaz. You know the Gorillaz, the ones who did the Clint Eastwood song. I think that's the title of it. You know this one. I'm happy. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm obviously not a vocal teacher here, but still, they are great, this band, and they produce still, and they do this time in a collab with, let's see, Jackson, I believe, was one of them, Anoushka as well, Bizarrap, anyway, not maybe mentioning all of them. Still, this song is called Orange County, a cool song, and very gorilla-like. So let's go into this one together. We're gonna do this with a capo on the third. That's the best scenario for us. With that, we have three main chords, and then we're gonna throw in a fourth one because we need to handle the bridge part later on. And yeah, let's go into the chords. So we're gonna start with the C major 7. So that goes third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is the F major 7. We're gonna with the shorter version of it, so it goes third D, second G, first B, and open E. We also have the A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And these are the three main chords, and then we also have this D7 sus2, and that goes open D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, so let's go into the main pattern here. We have the corporation of C major, F major, A minor, and back to F major. That is one round. And we're going to use this strumming pattern of 4 downs. So if you grab the first C major chord, it goes like this. 4 downs. I tried to separate the bass strings where I strum on them, and then also the higher strings down here. So I'm gonna play on the bass strings, but on the third down I go down to get the higher strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is one strumming round. So and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay, so I mentioned the chords and the order of them, and we're gonna go 4 string rounds per chord. So C major 4, F major 4, A minor 4, and back to F major 4. Like this. So C, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 3, 4, and back to F. Alright, so there you have the main pattern. Very simple, guys, with the capo on third. Now let's go into the bridge starting at 1 minute and 29 seconds in. And what you're going to do here now is to use that D7 first. You're going to play like this. And that will be one round. So you're gonna play 1 down on D7, and then you use that E note only, so that is the second fret D string, as a bridge to the A minor chord. That is very neat, since that note is a part of the A minor chord, so you don't have to like recuperate again or so. You just have that note, and then you just build upon that to get the A minor. 1 down on that, and then you finish off with that note again. And then you go back and play it second time. And once you play that for 2 rounds, the D7, E note, A minor, E note, 2 times of that, you're just gonna play downs for the D7, 8 downs, and A minor, 8 downs. And you're gonna do it for 4 rounds, back and forth. So D7, 8, A minor 8 times 4. And what you're gonna do is to play on the up a little bit. If you think about the reggae rhythm, they play 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, like this jumpy feeling. So 8 times like that, and then you shift to A minor. Like this. And noticing I'm muting this as well. I use my little pinky in front of this grip I'm using, and I also sometimes jump with the fingers, everything to just kill the sound. Okay, you don't want to ring out like this, it's too much. Okay, you want to have that jumpy feeling. If you can use that muting style of having a finger in front of or releasing the grip, the tension from the strings, then that is great. If not, yeah, still you know how to do it. It's 8 downs of D7, 8 downs of the A minor, and once you finish that for 4 rounds, you go back to that main C major, F major, A minor, and F major for strumming, and play that till the very end. And that, my friends, is how you play Orange County from Gorillaz and many others. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a like, just one, it's enough, takes a second, and I'm happy. Thank you so much, and play tuned.